What's up YouTube, this is a new tutorial on DEKO 2 channel. Before we get started, don't forget to click on subscribe and like and share this video anywhere. And if you want to work with me, you can contact me in description on Instagram or WhatsApp or Facebook. So yeah, let me show you this video. This video I'm gonna talk about how I made this song of IShowSpeed. This is the first song he made on his channel. I took this song, then I separated the vocal from the beat. After that I did the mix on his vocal. After that I mastered everything and I will show you everything.
Yeah, I love you. Yeah, I've been thinking about these days, baby, I miss you. And I've been holding on this pain. I've been really thinking about myself, it ain't the same, baby, I miss you. And I thought you was my babe. I even thought you was my babe. But it really ain't the same, but it really ain't the same. Yeah, it really ain't the same.
Okay, the first thing I put this beat right here on this insert, okay. After that what I did right here is put another insert. I put the vocal in this one, okay. Then I used the parametric EQ2, this is the first one. Then I did cut to some part from the bass right here. This is the part of the low. Then I raised it up a little from the mid. Then the high frequency I edited like this. After that some compressor from CLA 2A. This is from Waves plugins. After that another one is from the Waves 2. This is like noise. This cut the noise from the vocal. And this one like sidechain. And this is the auto tune. These all plugins from the Waves. And this one.
Yeah, I love you. Yeah, I've been thinking about these days, baby, I miss you. And I've been holding on this pain. I've been really thinking about myself, it ain't the same, baby, I miss you. And I thought you was my babe. I even thought you was my babe. But it really ain't the same, but it really ain't the same.
Alright, after that I put another equalizer to make it better and to make it good, and I edited high frequency like this and some from the mid, and I removed this part. Then FAB filter saturation. After that saturation, call it soft tube, and fresh air. Then fruity limiter, and I used it right here as a compressor. Let's listen before and after.
Yeah, I love you. Yeah, I've been thinking about these days, baby, I miss you. And I've been holding on this pain. I've been really thinking about myself, it ain't the same, baby, I miss you. And I thought you was my babe. I even thought you was my babe.
And here is some reverb and delay, stuff like that.
But it really ain't the same, but it really ain't the same. Yeah, it really ain't the same. Baby, I love you. Baby, I wanna call.
After that I mastered this one by the Ozone 8. This is the best plugin for the mastering. If you want to master any song, I suggest you to get this one. Or if you don't know how to mastering any song or any beats or anything in the music industry, okay, just let me know in description on IG or WhatsApp or even in the comments, and I can help you in this.
Love you, baby, I really love you. Yeah, I love you, yeah, I love you. Baby, I wanna call you.
So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to click on subscribe and like and share this video anywhere. I'm DEKO from DEKO 2 channel. Peace.